Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, our distinguished guests and valued leader. Welcome to LG, the Future of HVAC 2026 Partners Award Night.
As part of our 2026 push is to reinforce market discipline with the LGPH Standardized Price Initiative. This is designed to maintain price competitiveness, protect partner profitability, and ensure a healthier, more stable business environment for all of us.
Our 2026 product lineup would be greatly beneficial for your clients and your business. Continue to support LG in providing every Filipino the best HVAC solutions.
The LG Future of HVAC 2026 Partners Awarding Night. So what are we waiting for? Tara, let's go!
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for joining us tonight. It's an honor to be with partners and leaders who continue to shape the future of HVAC with us.
Together with you, our valued partners, we will continue to grow the LG air conditioner business with stronger programs, advanced technologies, and more unified approach to the market.
Building a better life. Guided by our beliefs that life can always improve, we are committed in providing efficient and smarter HVAC solutions. LG, ahead of the expected.
Thank you for your continuous confidence and collaboration, and together we look forward to achieving more and reaching new height in 2026 and beyond. It's tonight. Let's cheers! Cheers!